Hi, brothers. Though I am doing some meditation on daily basis, somebody is saying I'm not able to control my mind. Sometime I'm getting angry. Sometime I'm getting some other negative feelings. Okay, so daily they are doing meditation and yoga and all the practices, but they are not able to maintain their natural qualities. For example, uh, they are going on the road by cycle. For example, just assume that they are going on the road by cycle and thinking about their day-to-day activities on the day, on that particular day, what are the activities that they are going to do. Just think, they are just thinking about that. Suddenly on the way somebody else is coming and hitting your cycle and you are falling down and getting injured on your leg and hand, face, etc. That time, are you able to maintain your natural qualities? Are you able to be quiet? Definitely not, right? So that time you are getting angry about that person who hits you, right? So in that case, see, there is a natural qualities that you have to maintain. That's what the soul. You are the soul sitting on the body, right? Driving your body. So natural qualities of this soul is peace, purity, power, pure knowledge, happiness, bliss, and love. So this soul is sitting on the center of the forehead, like the picture is showing. The center of the forehead, the soul is sitting. That's the reason people are saying while meditating, you have to focus on the center of the forehead to maintain your mind in the mind at stability, right? To be conscious on not to your how to control your mind, right? So that's the reason while meditating you have to focus on your center of the forehead. All right, I will just give you one tips. For example, a mother is working in a kitchen, right? She is cooking in a kitchen. A baby is there next to her, right? So baby, while baby is there, she is concentrating on the cooking, cutting the vegetables and making or boiling the water and etc etc. So that time, is she not concentrating on a baby? Not that, right? If she is crying, if a baby is crying, definitely she will go and take care of her. So parallelly, even though she is at kitchen, but her mind will be there on baby. That's the first priority. If baby is crying, she will definitely go leave the kitchen work and go and take care of the baby. So that's how, while vices are coming into our mind, for example, anger, greed, lust, ego, attachment, if it is coming on our mind, you should not give priority to this, right? So you have to leave from that and maintain your seven virtues of the soul, right? So this is important, like a mother is taking care of the baby, giving priority to the baby while crying. So if a soul is crying because of the five vices, definitely you have to give priority to the natural qualities of the souls, these natural qualities of the soul. So to do that, you can approach the Raja Yoga branch next to you and study 7 days online Raja Yoga meditation course. Om Shanti. Thank you.